All right, guys. So we had some technical difficulties. That SA200 that I bought like a couple days ago, a week ago, how long? Maybe a week ago, if that. It broke down today. It backfired, popped real loud, and I couldn't get it to crank after swapping the carburetor. So currently I have two SA200s that are not working. I'm here in Odessa again. I had to leave work again. Right now I'm here at Chris's Welder Repair. A lot of you guys are gonna know it. And I'm about to go check out a classic 2D. So before I went over there, I wanted to get a remote for it so I can try it out. So let's go. It's a remote, brand new. Chris, thank you very much for the advice. He helped me out quite a bit with a couple words that he told me.
Is that Chris?
He gave me some really good advice. I've heard a lot about him. And I finally got to meet him. So I got the remote. Now, you know you came to the right place when you get receipts like this. Alright, let's go. Now I'm gonna go to the location where the machine is at. These are my scratched up ones. Damn girl. That's the machine. Pulled up. I guess it's a fab shop here in Odessa, and one of the guys knows me over there. So the owner of the machine is not here. I think he's back in Kentucky.
It's just funny.
Okay, yeah. Here, this way. Here's the machine. I'm about to hook up my leads to it and weld with it. See how it runs, how it works. I got it cranked.
Oh.
I know it turns on. Yeah, the lugs on it. Alright guys, so here's the Classic 2. There's the remote that I just bought. And I'm about to weld with it. What's your name, bro?
Alex.
Alex? He's about to help me out. Try this machine out. I think he said he had some plate. I'm gonna weld with it for about an hour, see if it overheats, does anything funny, and if everything checks out, I'm gonna take it. But I'm about to set you guys up right here and just continue filming. truck's pretty slick. That's why I'm getting it on video. But all right, guys. So I was having trouble. It didn't want to weld at all, either in remote or local or anything like that. So right now, what I'm doing is took everything inside. I didn't want to be on my knees, but I got it to weld in local and remote. Now what I'm gonna do is run it through every gear, make sure it welds on the lowest gear with the lowest setting, see if it'll hold the spark at least, and then turn it all the way up in remote and pretty much load bank it, do a heavy load. So I'm testing it. One, I'm gonna weld with it for quite a bit, make sure it doesn't overheat, and two, I'm gonna run it, like I said, in every gear, make sure it'll at least spark on the lowest load, and it should hold a full rod or a couple rods on the heaviest load. So that's what I'm about to do, but I didn't want to be on my knees. Do a quick little walk around. Pulled it on the wrong side. Building another bed for his truck, so I think all these guys know me off of YouTube, but that's the younger guy's truck, which is pretty slick. Second gen, I love it. He built that bed, and he's building another bed for his other second gen. But alright guys, here's what I'm welding on. This is what I'm using. 8010 pipe liner. 3/16ths for the heavy load, and then bead rod 6010 for the low gear. Here's the remote. So I'm going to be testing it on the lowest load and then all the way up to the heaviest load. Alright, put the plate. Let's get it. So I tried it in the lowest gear, tried it in second gear, tried it in third gear. I just welded with it in fourth gear. Now this is where the real, either something's gonna break and overheat, or I'm taking it home. What they're looking like so far. These aren't, I'm not trying to make them look beautiful. Running it, make sure it'll burn the whole rod. So I'll see if they'll help me clean them up in a bit. So that was fourth gear on 100. Now we're about to have some fun with it. broke. It's leaking. It's been overheated. Started dripping quite a bit, and it looks like almost like it's kind of smoking, but trying to get a hold of the guy, see if he'll come down on the price. If he does, I'll take it. If not, I'm probably gonna have to pass on it. But see you here in a minute. All right, so I got off the phone with the guy, and his mechanic gave me a call. I thought it was oil. It's not oil. It's most definitely diesel fuel. So mechanic told me to pop this cover off. Took it off. It's not the fuel rails, the fuel line. It's that little thing. I tightened it up, and it looks like it's good. So it doesn't leak anymore. I'm about to load it up and take it home. I tried to negotiate a little bit, but yeah. Last what is it, ultimatum? No. Last verdict. Final verdict.
Verdict.
Final verdict.
Verdict.
Final verdict. We're taking the machine. I tightened that little. I'm guessing it's like a sensor. So I tightened it up, put it back together. Everything runs good. Welds really damn good. This is classic 2D. Welds really, really good. I might do a review over it later, but we're about to load it up just before we got busy again. Hopefully this was a good little video. Young guys getting it. So both of those guys knew me from YouTube, which is pretty cool. The guy that helped me at first, his name was Alex. Shout out to Alex. He gave me a piece of 1/2-inch plate. But yeah, now I gave her the money, and we're about to load it up. Yeah, this way.